Hi, my name is Lily Angel, and I have a son who lives here at the Montgomery Development Center. He's 46 years old with a mind of so mental ability of a 1-year-old baby. He cannot do anything for himself. He is a runner. He's very, very excitable all the time. I just don't think that he can fit into a group home out in the community because of his behavior and his low functioning ability to do anything for himself. And I'm asking the representatives of the lawmakers to help me keep my son in his home. He's been here 26 years. This is all he knows. So I plead with you to save the Montgomery Development Center for my son, to save his home for him. Please don't close it.